If you're like me, whenever you need to research anything, you automatically open a web browser and begin at Google. Why not? The search engine's name has become equivalent with the word search and is often used as a verb. For example, I don't know, Google it. But when you're doing academic research, Google.com is not the best place to start. But Google has you covered. Instead, go to Google Scholar at scholar.google.com to begin your research. But first, let's update the settings so that Google Scholar is linked with your institution. Yep, you can actually do that. Select the three lines in the upper left corner of the page. There's a term for those three lines, but I did not feel like Googling it to find out. You should now have the option to select the settings. When you select the settings, you can now change the number of results on the page and where the results open. Scroll down to the bottom, and if you are using a citation manager such as EndNote, which will format your citations in your paper for you, you can select it and save your settings. Now select Library Links from the menu on the left of the page. This allows you to link your library holdings to the results in Google Scholar. In the search bar, start typing the name of your institution. In my case, Georgia State University. Deselect Open WorldCat as your institution and select your institution. Select the blue button to save your settings. You're now ready to search Google Scholar, but you may be asking, why is a librarian telling me to search Google Scholar and not a database? Good question. Let's face it, Google is awesome. To us librarians, Google Scholar is awesome because it has a look and feel of Google, and everyone pretty much is familiar with it. Plus, unlike some of our databases, you can misspell a word and it will still know what you meant to look for. And you can search in the form of a question. Try that in an EBSCO or ProQuest database and see what you get. Nada. Now, let's search with keywords white-collar crime cases. Notice that I didn't have to search or use an "and" in the search, such as white-collar crime and cases, and I'm leaving it on articles. In the results, the Find It at GSU link on the right tells me that my institution has access to that article. Once I select Find It at GSU, I'm taken to the page to access the article. At this point, if you have not logged into your institution, you will have an option to log in to be able to download the article. If I go back and search case law, I get a list of, using the same keywords, white-collar crime cases. I get a list of significant cases that are available online. I can limit these results by selecting federal courts or Georgia courts on the left. Let's do another article search on another topic that's near and dear to my heart. Why full-time work week should be 30 hours. And notice this is in the form of a question and not necessarily grammatically correct. Like last time, on the right are links to access articles available via your institution. But you also see the Cited By link beneath each citation. That means that this is the number of sources that has that article in its bibliography. The cited by articles are more recent than that article, so it can lead you to more resources that are more recent. And lastly, underneath each citation, you will also see a link to import that citation into EndNote. If you're not familiar with EndNote, go to endnote.com to learn more or use the link in the description of this video. This concludes the Google Scholar tutorial. If you find that most of your Google Scholar results are in one particular database, go back and search that database. Remember, Google Scholar is a good place to begin your search, but it shouldn't be the last.